Outdoor lighting Southlake is essential for creating a welcoming and safe environment. Our Southlake patio lighting experts specialize in custom outdoor lighting solutions that enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor spaces. Whether you're looking for decorative patio lights or comprehensive landscape lighting design, we have the expertise to transform your property. Outdoor bistro and cafe lights. Southlake is perfect for those who want to add a touch of elegance to their outdoor dining areas. Our custom bistro lighting services include the installation of bistro string lights and LED cafe lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for any occasion. With our Southlake bistro light installation, your outdoor space will become the perfect setting for gatherings and celebrations. Outdoor bistro and cafe lights Southlake services offer a range of options to enhance the ambiance of your outdoor cafe or restaurant. From cafe string lights to outdoor dining lights, our team provides tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Our Southlake outdoor cafe lights are designed to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that keeps customers coming back. Patio lighting solutions in Southlake TX are designed to illuminate your outdoor spaces with style and efficiency. Our Southlake deck lighting services include the installation of festoon lights and ambient outdoor lighting, ensuring your patio is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. With our expertise, your outdoor area will be the perfect place to relax and entertain. Ambient outdoor lighting in Southlake is key to creating a relaxing and enjoyable outdoor environment. Our outdoor bistro and cafe lights. Southlake services include the installation of LED bistro lights and custom cafe lighting, ensuring your outdoor space is both functional and stylish. With our expertise, your outdoor area will be the perfect place to unwind. Garden illumination in Southlake is essential for showcasing the beauty of your landscape. Our Southlake garden lighting solutions include pathway lighting and garden party lighting, creating a magical atmosphere for any outdoor event. With our Southlake landscape lighting design, your garden will be transformed into a stunning nighttime oasis. Outdoor bistro and cafe lights. Southlake are an energy-efficient option for illuminating your outdoor spaces. Our Southlake custom cafe lighting services include the installation of outdoor lighting fixtures and cafe patio lights, providing a modern and stylish solution for your lighting needs. With our Southlake outdoor lighting fixtures, your space will be both beautiful and sustainable. Festoon lights setup in Southlake adds a festive touch to any outdoor space. Our Southlake TX festoon lights are perfect for creating a lively and vibrant atmosphere for parties and gatherings. Whether you're hosting an outdoor event or simply want to enhance your backyard, our Southlake outdoor event lighting services have you covered. Deck lighting services in Southlake provide the perfect solution for illuminating your outdoor deck. Our Southlake deck lighting experts offer a range of options, including Edison bulb string lights and outdoor party lights, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. With our Southlake outdoor lighting consultation, you can be sure your deck will be beautifully lit.